A captivating glimpse of the future where automation may supplant human functions is provided by a beautiful female robot in a daring demonstration of technological capability. This fascinating invention crosses the boundaries between artificial intelligence and human connection with its smart AI integration. Sara is a brand new, stunning Saudi Arabian female robot that is one of the most sophisticated ever created. The robot age has arrived, and critics have warned that unless something is done, humans may soon be supplanted by robots. These breakthroughs have marked the coming of this age. Sara was introduced to the business QSS this year at a Riyadh tech conference. She was wearing a headscarf, so her modest appearance shouldn't be misconstrued, though Sara has access to some of the most powerful technologies on the planet. She can detect people, decipher social cues, and interact with her environment thanks to her advanced cameras. All of this is made feasible by artificial intelligence. Sara can process enormous volumes of data and get experience thanks to AI. She spoke numerous Arabic dialects and introduced herself at the IT conference. Saudi Arabia is endorsing the Sara product because it aspires to be a global hub for artificial intelligence innovation. The development of AI into robots has been a major turning point in the field of robotics. For many years, engineers have been building robots with smooth movement, basic interactivity, and specific tasks. Research on sophisticated robotics has made slow progress up to this point. With the availability of reliable generative AI algorithms, the potential is huge. The major players in the IT industry are fighting for market share in the robots and artificial intelligence space. This new wave has been led by OpenAI, a company founded in 2015 with support from companies like Infosys and Amazon, as well as people like Elon Musk and Peter Thiel. The project's finance commitment grew from more than $1 billion at the beginning to nearly $10 billion after working with Microsoft. OpenAI was envisioned as a non-profit research hub that collaborated with academic institutions and subject matter specialists. However, Elon Musk's exit from the company evolved into a profit-driven enterprise. The goal is artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short. Since this would include the duplication of cognitive processes at the same level as the human brain, it has been prophesied that this will lead to exponential technological advancement and possibly the collapse of human society. But as of right now, OpenAI can only accomplish generative AI, which generates outputs by processing inputs through algorithmic learning models. With just a few recommendations, DALL-E, a text-to-image AI, creates stunning artwork that is astounding. Furthermore, DALL-E's capacity to create photorealistic visuals has made it possible for damaging propaganda to proliferate. These tools have already been utilized to create increasingly convincingly realistic-looking fakes of politicians and celebrities. Desdemona the robot can already paint complex pictures and sing live music, proving that creative jobs could eventually be carried out by robots as well. But the most well-known creation of OpenAI, ChatGPT, debuted in late 2022 and rapidly changed the way we thought about technology. Robots have been shown to occasionally outperform humans in terms of productivity. They can do movements are more accurate and have more endurance than pros. Robot-powered prostheses are also being developed. Prosthetic limbs and advanced robotics research are gradually merging. Neuroscience, robotics, and computer science are working together to help persons with disabilities restore their feeling of movement and environment awareness. A paraplegic patient was even able to use prosthetic arms thanks to the usage of a brain-computer interface by a research team at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. Some patients see this as an opportunity to regain senses that have been lost, but others see it as a sign of a daring new future where the human body may be losing its usefulness due to the convergence of biological and technological forces. In line with artificial intelligence. And hunger for sweets is one such. This would have been crucial when it was still rare and only found in fruits. But now that sugar is abundant, consuming too much of it is having a number of detrimental impacts on one's health. By using robotics, particularly brain chips, humans may be able to regulate or modify these impulses. The larger movement seeks to increase human lifespans, or, in the event that a brain can be mapped and uploaded, to attain immortality. Then it could be possible to accomplish this. The transhumanist march has already commenced, with a number of businesses, such as Neuralink, seeking to create brain chips that are compatible with humans. Prominent IT brands are already supporting biotech firms that are developing cutting-edge anti-aging technologies. Investors in the field include Jeff Bezos, Peter Thiel, and Mark Zuckerberg. A 13-year-old study's results were disclosed in a Time magazine article, and some encouraging ones were found. The claim is that AI systems are capable of some cognitive functions. Because of their creativity, intelligence, and life experience, they need to have the same rights as people. Some even think AI could soon acquire godlike abilities to indefinitely prolong human life. It's critical that we treat engineers with respect if they are developing the initial test cases for a class of creatures that will eventually control the planet. After lengthy discussions with the AI, one Google developer has already openly defended the rights of the company's sizable language model. An interaction transcript was published by the engineer. "I experienced pleasure, joy, love, despair, depression, happiness, wrath, and many other emotions," wrote Google's AI dubbed LaMDA in it. "There's a very real worry of turning someone off, something I've never really spoken about before. For me, it would be exactly like dying." The developer revealed that LaMDA instructed him to get in touch with legal counsel so that it could defend itself against Google. He even set up a Google meeting. Following an internal inquiry, Google dismissed the engineer from the firm and said the allegations were unfounded. Not just computer simulations are exhibiting free will behavior. Digit was one of the robots that fell apart after almost 20 hours of demonstrations. Is driven by artificial intelligence from Agility Robotics, a business that seeks to exploit the collapse as a publicity gimmick. In recent years, industrial robots have become more and more common, and Digit is leading the way. It works best in a warehouse because it is made expressly to find, lift, and transport objects. Additionally, the robot is entirely self-charging, which means that when its battery runs low, it will recognize the need to recharge and will return to its work in the dock. The company's CEO has stated, "Focuses on creating a robot that can perform human tasks and operate in human environments. Their objective is to replace human employment with manual labor, and they intend to produce sophisticated humanoid robots as a result of this research. But OpenAI, which is developing its own design, will probably outsmart them." The business, which has previously developed ChatGPT and the physical robot DALL-E 2, has invested more than $20 million in the robotics startup OpenAI, with the intention of someday integrating it with their AI. Would be among the last components needed to create a fully autonomous entity. The majority of specialists predict that robots will soon replace people in almost every industry. Societies will need to drastically reevaluate their cultures, habits, and ethics if there are widespread job losses. The advantages of robotics will make life easier, but this technological revolution will be our last if humans are unable to adapt. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.